The lights I use the most are the cupboard lights. I put the strip lights under the cupboard and it provides extra lighting when I'm cooking. Alex, turn on cupboard lights. And I'm going to turn this one off. Okay, so you see them better? Hi there. This is Grandma Hates Tech and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. In this video I will show you ideas on where you can put your LED strip lights around your home. So if you want to see the best places you can install your LED strip lights, then watch to the end of this video. First of all, I don't get a lot of comments or likes in my videos, so please give them a thumbs up. If you want to see my home all decked out in LED strip lights, then give me 2 thumbs up. Also, leave a comment if you wish, and please subscribe and click that bell icon. It is free and that you get notified when I release a new video. These LED strip lights installed in my home are from Lighting Ever. The first place I will mention to you, put the light strips behind your TV. They act as backlighting when watching movies or sports and give you a better viewing experience. I put them behind mine, and I can turn them on by simply asking Alexa, turn on TV lights.
Okay.
I can change the color as well. Alexa, change TV lights to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change TV lights to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn TV lights to green.
Okay.
Let me know what color you would prefer when watching TV. Here is a view of the TV in the evening while watching the sports channel. You can see how it adds a little extra ambience to the room. It also creates a nice effect while watching an evening movie. The lights I use the most are the cupboard lights. I put the strip lights under the cupboard and it provides extra lighting when I'm cooking. Alex, turn on cupboard lights. And I'm going to turn this one off. Okay, so you see them better? Alexa, turn on cupboard lights.
Okay.
There. I can also set them to a nice even color light blue. Alexa, turn cupboard lights to blue.
Okay.
There. It's pretty. Here are the LED lights in my dining room. I put them behind the bookshelf, and you can see how the backlight brightens everything up. I can also change the color, and I'm going to turn them to blue. Alexa, turn book lights to blue.
Okay.
See? You can see how I like the color blue. My dog Achilles really likes these lights. Achilles, come. Okay, sit, sit, sit. Good boy. Want a kiss? Eh? Kiss, 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 kiss. I keep the lights on at night so Achilles can see his way around the house when he's on patrol. The strip lights can even go around your Christmas tree to give it an extra glow. Or you can decorate the windows at the front of your house. Set them to green and red and you have Christmas lights. These lights here are not waterproof, but you can buy waterproof light strips and put them around your patio furniture or along your deck. They can go along your railings or even going down the stairs to light things up in the evening. You can even put your LED strip lights in your bedroom. By putting them under your bed, they give your room an awesome glow. They're also great for a kid's room. You can put the light strips anywhere your imagination takes you, even under your sofa to make it stand out and be the centerpiece of the room. These LED strip lights from Lighting Ever can be controlled with your phone app or by simply asking Alexa like I showed you. These ones here also sync to music in case you want to turn your house into a party room. You can see the lights dancing to the music. Let me know if there's a place in your home where you could put your strip lights, possibly around your fish tank, along your hallway, or even under your car. Let me know in the description. I am also just looking at my YouTube channel, and I still don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe to my channel, as I really look forward to creating more videos for you? Don't go just yet. I have these other videos that I made just for you, so please check them out. Watching my videos and subscribing really helps me out. So please click on either of these videos which I have created just for you. I know you will like and enjoy them.